Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Canon 24-70mm F2.8 is probably one of the most versatile and sought-after lenses in any photographer's kit, offering a stunning combination of a wide-angle to short telephoto zoom range and a bright, constant f/2.8 aperture that excels in a multitude of shooting conditions, from breathtaking landscapes and intimate portraits to dynamic event coverage and low-light scenarios, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and serious enthusiasts alike who demand exceptional image quality and creative flexibility. Number 5. Canon RF 24-70mm F2.8 is USM Lens. Introducing the Canon RF 24-70mm F2.8 is USM Lens, a versatile standard zoom lens designed for your EOS or series camera. It delivers exceptional image quality for all your photographic needs. Experience stunning clarity and detail with its bright f/2.8 aperture. This lens excels in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for capturing breathtaking portraits and expansive landscapes. Shoot with confidence even in challenging conditions. Its optical image stabilization provides up to 5 stops of shake correction, ensuring sharp images and steady videos. Achieve sharp focus effortlessly. The Nano USM technology delivers high-speed, smooth, and quiet autofocus, so you never miss the perfect moment. Get closer to your subjects than ever before. With a minimum focusing distance of just 0.69 feet at the wide end, it's ideal for detailed shots. Take control of your settings with ease. The integrated control ring allows for quick and direct adjustments to aperture, shutter speed, and more, right at your fingertips. This lens is engineered to perfectly complement your Canon EOS or series mirrorless camera. Unlock the full potential of your camera system for unparalleled creative freedom. What we like. Experience exceptional image quality with its bright f/2.8 aperture. It offers up to 5 stops of shake correction, making it ideal for low-light shooting. If you are a mirrorless shooter looking for a versatile lens for portraits, landscapes, and travel, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Autofocus is sharp and fast, and the lens stabilization is fantastic. The lens is very good all the way stop down to 2.8, but becomes incredibly sharp at 4.0 to 5.6. The clarity across the frame is phenomenal. Even at 24mm, I'm pulling crisp detail from edge to edge. Number 4. Altura Photo 8mm f3.0 Fisheye Lens for Canon EOS. Capture breathtakingly wide 180-degree views with this professional fisheye lens. Its unique design allows for expansive and creative shots. Designed for a wide range of Canon DSLR APS-C cameras, it also works with full-frame models. Experience versatile shooting possibilities. Take full creative control with manual focus. The included removable hood enhances your ability to achieve stunning, immersive imagery. Crafted with a metal body and advanced lens elements, it delivers sharp, well-defined images. Enjoy powerful viewing angles and exceptional clarity. Keep your lens safe and secure with the custom-designed protective case. It's an essential accessory for any photographer. This is the professional 8mm f3.0 fisheye lens you need. It's built for quality and designed to unlock your creative potential. What we like. Capture ultra-wide, dramatic perspectives with this 8mm fisheye lens. It provides stunning 180 degrees views, perfect for creative and unique shots. If you are looking for a specialized lens for expansive landscapes or artistic effects on your Canon DSLR, this fisheye is a great option. What people say. The lens has some weight to it. It didn't feel like cheap, lightweight plastic. It must be made from aluminum and ocular glass. Attached it to my Canon camera, set it on manual and started using it. It took high-quality excellent pictures. Manual focus and aperture, but they all seem to work well. Surprisingly, the DOF is so vast that it focused well on all of them. This lens is going to be fun with creating artistic shots, and landscapes that are so beautiful that you have to get it all in one picture to get the effect. It comes with a nice fitted case. Had fun with this lens up at St. Helens and the Milky Way. It's actually pretty decent. Just have to learn when to use it. Number 3. Canon EF 24-70mm F2.8 II USM Lens. Capture a wide range of scenes with its versatile 24-70mm focal length. On APS-C cameras, it offers an equivalent of 38.4 to 112mm, perfect for various shooting scenarios. Achieve stunning depth of field and excellent low-light performance with a constant f2.8 maximum aperture. You can stop down to f22 for greater control. Experience swift and accurate autofocus thanks to the ring-type ultrasonic motor. It also provides full-time manual focusing for creative adjustments. Get incredibly close to your subjects with a minimum focusing distance of just 0.38 meters or 1.25 feet. It's ideal for detailed shots. Purchase this lens between May 1st and July 30th, 2016, and receive 13 months of complimentary damage protection from Canon. Remember to register within 30 days of purchase to be eligible. What we like. This is the workhorse lens for many professionals, offering a constant f2.8 aperture. Its robust L-series construction ensures reliability in demanding conditions. If you need a versatile, high-performance zoom for everyday shooting on your Canon DSLR, this lens is a top contender. What people say. It is unbelievably sharp throughout the zoom range. I've taken shots that would rival the most expensive primes. The build is solid and strong. It is not nearly as heavy though as the previous model. This EF lens features a zoom lock which prevents the barrel from zooming out while hanging from the neck strap and also has full-time manual focusing. Number 2. Tamron SP 24-70mm F2.8 VC USD G2 for Canon. Experience unparalleled clarity. Its advanced coating minimizes flare and ghosting, ensuring your images are free from unwanted reflections. Capture fleeting moments with incredible precision. The high-performance MPU dramatically enhances autofocus accuracy and speed, keeping your subject sharp. Shoot with confidence, even in challenging conditions. It offers the best-in-class image stabilization, compensating for up to 5 stops. Master dynamic shots with ease. The new VC Auto Detect Mode 2 is specifically designed for smooth and effective panning. Built to withstand the elements. Featuring a fluorine coating and moisture-resistant construction, it's ready for any adventure. Adapt to any lighting situation. Achieve creative control with its wide aperture range, down to f22 for sharp details. What we like. Benefit from the best-in-class image stabilization, offering up to 5 stops of correction. Its advanced autofocus system ensures sharp images quickly and accurately. If you are a Canon DSLR user who needs a reliable lens for various conditions, especially in challenging environments, this Tamron is an excellent alternative. What people say. The Tamron 24-70 G2 is well built, it's sharp, it has fast autofocus in every light situation I've tried it in, and it has excellent bokeh. This lens is simply phenomenal for half the price of Canon, plus it features VC, image stabilization, which Canon's equivalent does not. Sharpness is very good and image quality is spot on. I found this lens to be sharp throughout the frame even wide open at 24mm. It produces good bokeh, contrast and colors that I've come to expect from my Canon lens. Number 1. Canon EF 24-70mm F2.8 II USM Lens Kit. Introducing the Canon EF 24-70mm F2.8 II USM, a versatile L-series zoom lens. It's designed to be your go-to lens for a wide range of shooting situations. Experience exceptional low-light performance and beautiful background blur with its constant f2.8 maximum aperture. This allows for greater creative control over depth of field. This lens features advanced optical elements, including 3 aspherical elements and superspectra coatings. These work together to minimize distortion and enhance sharpness, contrast, and color fidelity. Enjoy quick, quiet, and accurate autofocus thanks to its ring-type USM and internal focusing system. Full-time manual focus override is also available for precise adjustments. With its weather-sealed construction, this lens is built to withstand challenging environmental conditions. It's designed to keep up with your demanding shooting schedule. This package includes the lens along with a 3-piece filter kit, lens cap keeper, and cleaning kit. Everything you need to get started right away is included. What we like. This lens offers a highly versatile zoom range and a constant f2.8 aperture for great low-light performance. Its sophisticated optical design minimizes aberrations for sharp results. If you are a Canon DSLR user seeking a comprehensive package with essential accessories like filters and cleaning kits, this bundle provides excellent value. What people say. The product came defective. It did not ever work or connect digitally to the camera. Kept showing error 01. Lack of stabilizer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.